because it is our maintenance day. Wearing this little like cute two-piece jogging set from Fashion Nova. She is so cute. And I'm just wearing my little slip-on Vans because we're gonna be doing a lot of sitting. Let's go. Wig is straight out the package. Look how good this wig looks. Like, please, the lace on this is so good. It's real, y'all. We got the influencer light out. Ooh, I gotta show y'all in better lighting. She's cute. You just need some. Y'all, she ate. She ate. She ate down. She always gets me right. Okay. So I have officially made it home from my hair appointment. My hair is so cute. I immediately wrapped it up because I just cannot have this be messed up. I actually am doing a birthday shoot in 2 days, so I'm just gonna have to keep this on tight lock until then. But I will pick up the camera tomorrow morning. When my eyebrows done tomorrow, but I know for a fact it's gonna be mani and petties. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's mani petty day as promised. I'm also gonna go get my brows done. I feel like that's all I have to do. I'm gonna get my balloons as well for the shoot, the candles. I'm gonna pick up the cake, so we're gonna go see it together. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm ready to go. Okay guys, the lighting is crazy, but I've made it to Publix. Yay, we're gonna go get my cake. I'm so excited. Y'all, I literally haven't been in a Publix in like forever, so I still have to find the bakery. But I got a basket because I'm like, I don't want to carry that around and then get candles, you know? We got the cake.
What? Yeah. Man, look at, man, hell no.
Honestly, it says sad season. It could be cuter, but it also is from Publix, and it's just for pictures. I'm having a cake already made for me for the day of my dinner, so this is for photo purposes. But I'm still grateful, still thankful. I think it's still gonna be cute. Now I gotta get balloons, candles, etc. Literally no skinny candles. I think they just have these big ones up here. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna end up making like another stop because I don't want those really fat candles. I want them to be skinny, so I'm gonna just get the balloons and head out. Hey guys, I had a really nice dude who works at Publix help me bring the balloons and things out here so I can hold the cake. But we got it. Mission success. I just went traditional black and white. I'm not sure if I told y'all that that's what I was gonna do, but I'm doing black and white because I have like 2 basic birthday looks. One of them is black and then the other one is like a gradient of silver to gold. I cannot wait for y'all to see. That'll be in a separate video though. I will do a birthday photo shoot vlog, so don't worry, make sure you're subscribed. That is coming. But now let's go get a manicure because although I just got my nails done maybe almost 2 weeks ago, they look battered for some reason. So this time I think I'm gonna do an acrylic overlay. I'm still not gonna do tips. I'm gonna have like my real nail length, which is what I have now. If you didn't know, these are my real nails. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, that should be like it. Oh yeah, we still have to stop and see if Dollar Tree has the candles, but we should be good after that. Doing shit is wrong. She done lost her attitude, she long away from. Hey. Okay guys, so I made it out of the nail salon. I'll have to like show y'all my mani and my petty when I get home, or maybe when I get to the mall right before I throw my shoes back on. Y'all, if you live in Nashville like I do, then you know that this weather is insane. Y'all, let me check what the weather is right now, just because
you wouldn't even believe me. Let's see. Yeah, it's literally freezing. It is, I wonder if y'all can see. It is 29 degrees right now. So freezing is an understatement. It's also only 5:38 and it looks like midnight. So I really just hate that for us. I really am not a fan of daylight savings. But as I was getting my nails done, y'all, I was like, I am so tired. So I'm gonna get my brows done, but I think that's gonna be like my last stop for the day. I think I'll just pick up the candles tomorrow, so you guys will probably see that in the next vlog. Excuse me. So you guys will probably see that in the next vlog. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already and you made it this far. Girl, what are you doing? You know? But yeah, y'all. Let's go get our brows done so we can call it a day.
Okay guys, so I am headed into the mall so I can get my eyebrows done. When I tell y'all I'm so cold, I parked so close to the door, it's ridiculous. I'm the type of person, especially when it's cold, if I could park on the curb, I would. It's that serious for me. I hate the cold so much. So let's hope it's not cold in this mall, because then that's just all bad. I 100% called it. It is freezing in this mall. How did I just know it was gonna be cold in here? I'm at this old mall in Nashville. If you know, you know. No one's ever here, so I just knew it was gonna be freezing. Yeah, I don't want them like too skinny. So red, but look at how cute my brows look. They literally look razor sharp. Or a girly who gets your eyebrows threaded, then you already know. You already know you're gonna break out around your brow area every single time. But I wanna say that I think this is the end of the vlog. I will be picking up the camera tomorrow as it is shoot day tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that vlog. So excited, guys. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know, when is your birthday? I'm very curious. It's Sag season. Y'all know I'm a Sagittarius. So let me know in the comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.